Hello everyone, welcome back to Chill with Sabby. I hope you are all having a great day. Today we got something truly special, a package that arrived just yesterday. It's a Spectraflame magenta Kawa-Bug-A, a miniature marble, which was released on June 20th to July 3rd, 2023. They also released in different version that was the blue color, which was released on December 13, 2022. Was priced at $30 each at metalcreation.com. As it comes in the acrylic case with a sturdy outer box. And here is some information about this exotic car. It has a cool decal on the outer box. So let's peek inside. Whoa, that looks really cool. Look at that sleek Spectraflame magenta body and those glossy white side panels and those Real Rider steelie wheels. It's like a tiny work of art. Now let's dive into the details. The body color looks like a Spectraflame magenta. It has a gloss white siding and it has a rear fenders which is silver painted, roof with a brown suitcase and the green toolbox, and comes with the white surfboard. And interior is pearl white and the scale is 1:64. Now let's dive into the details. Check out the opening rear hood. Yes, it opens. And what's hiding underneath? A meticulously crafted engine. I mean, who knew die-cast car could be so cool? And don't forget the surfboard. It is perfect for the catching imaginary waves or just adding some beach vibes to your display. As this Kawa-Bug is a part of the RLC Selection Edition, this means it's rare as unicorn doing its cartwheels. Limited edition, limited time, collectors rejoice. Imagine this little bug parked next to your vintage Volkswagen bus or your 67 Camaro or any car you have. It's like a mini car show right there. And there you have it, the Kawa-Bug-A in all its glory. If you are lucky enough to snag one, cherish it. And if you haven't, keep an eye out for the future release. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Until next time, keep those wheels turning and happy collecting.